this is Justin Martinez from Master Fire Mechanical, your fire protection expert since 1969. We have been servicing businesses and restaurants in New York City and the 5 boroughs, and now in Westchester and northern New Jersey. We've been installing, inspecting, and maintaining fire suppression systems in many of New York's finest hotels and restaurants. Here's how we do it.
Here at Master Fire, we try to go far and beyond our means to make sure your kitchen passes inspection, it's totally legal, and our systems work 100%. And though it all looks the same, it's totally different, and that's what we're here to design and make sure we do correctly. All range of fire suppression systems are pre-engineered. What does that mean? For example, each piece of equipment requires a specific nozzle. A fryer is totally different from a stove. A fryer requires double the protection that a stove may need. Here we have an Ansul R102 Fire Suppression System, which we just finished installing. Here's the wet chemical agent canister, which I removed. I installed these hoses directed to the distribution piping, and I'm going to perform a pre-test. The reason I do this is to make sure the system is working 100%. Not only for my benefit, but for the benefit of the customer, and to make sure that his fire inspection will pass. What I'm going to look for today is to make sure that all distribution piping is clear of obstructions, make sure the gas shuts off upon activation, and make sure all electric power sources under the hood turn off. So this is what I want to find out today. Make sure it's 100%. If it's not 100%, it's pointless bringing the fire department here because we're just going to fail. So now we have time to repair, get everything sorted, and ask for an inspection. Right now, all I tested was the electronic part of the system, and it's not shutting the power down to this fryer. So I gotta figure what's going on with that. What we have here is our gas valve. As you can see, the gas valve is interconnected to the Ansul R102 fire system, which I showed you before. Upon activation, this gas valve will shut down automatically and shut all fuel sources to this kitchen. Right now, I'm gonna light all the cooking equipment under the hood to make sure that this gas valve is working correctly. Upon activation, all these flames should turn off. So as you can see, I'm here ready to go. I got all my heat sources on. I'm gonna turn off the exhaust fan, make sure that's running and it never turns off upon activation, because that's something else that can make the inspection fail. So right now I've simulated the kitchen in full operation. I got all the burners on, I got the exhaust fan running, all my caps are in place. Here we go, let's see if it works. That noise you hear is the exhaust fan running. That exhaust fan is going to pull all smells, all smoke, all grease out of the kitchen. It sounds like a small jet running in here, but that's what you want. So on this captive air hood, we also have a captive air control unit. As you can see here, it's telling me there was a fire. It's also telling me the fan is on. It's also indicating that all lights and power sources under the hood have turned off. This is a great unit. I recommend it to everyone, just like I recommend the captive air hoods.
So call Master Fire Mechanical, your Westchester and northern New Jersey fire protection service experts at 917-580-6330, or visit us on the web at www.masterfiremechanical.com.